Hebrews chapter 8. Nu is fit I've been saying till ya. We have sick a high priest, sitting on the right-hand side of the throne of his majesty in heaven. He's a minister and a sanctuary on a true tent that was putting up Baal Mikday. Nay be man. Ilke high priest is ordained to offer gifts and mock sacrifices. An our high priest mon hae something to offer tea. Gin he was here I the wirl, he wouldn't be a priest, since there are already priests for offer gifts according to the law. A work of sick chills is but a copy of a shadow of fits in heaven. You'll mind not van Moses was gone to pit up the tent. He was tilt Baal Mikday. See at ye mock all thin according to a pattern you was shewn in the mountain. But a ninteteen is been gien a ministry, as a wa hein a been at, just as a covenant atween him and Almighty is a wa a been. 'Cause it's a bigot on the foon of better promises. Gin the first covenant had been up till a mark, the second teen wouldn't hae been naughtin. But Almighty finds fault with his folk. Fanny says, See nu a day's come, says a maester, van I'll make a new covenant wi a house of Israel, and a house of Judah. It winna be like a covenant I made wi their forebears in the days van I took them by a hand and led them out of Egypt, 'cause they didna hold wi a terms of that covenant, and I turned awa fae them, says a maester. This is a covenant I'll make wi a house of Israel. After 8 days, says a maester, I'll put my laws into their heads, and scribe them in their hearts, and I'll be Almighty till them, and they'll be my folkies, and they winna hae to say to ane another, ilka man till his brither, ken the maester, 'cause they'll all ken ma, fae lakest till a heekest, and I'll talk pity on them van they didna behave, and I'll forgie their ill deeds. Bespeaking a new covenant, Almighty maks an all een gang out to date. Nu van a thing gangs wisn't, and out to date, it winna be long nor it's deen a wawi.